ya beginilah guys. Janjian tadi jam 12. Jam 12 ini jam 1 ya?
Jam 12 setelah duhur.
Habis duhur. Dan ternyata realitanya kita berangkat habis isya. But is enjoy, don't worry anything, don't be afraid anything. So, kata-kata buat malam ini, temani hatimu dengan keimanan, temani malammu dengan keberanian.
About to go off like a weapon, fuel to the top, got a filled up engine. In my thoughts, obsession, I will not stop, no, I'm never second guessing. I got a God complex, haters love to hate, but I never feel pressed. Got a lot on my plate, but I never get stressed. I'll take all the pressure like I'm acing this test. Tear it up like I'm Jason. I see the world like it's ready for the taking. I see this place like a game I'm playing. Straight to the bank to collect my payments. No negotiations, it's my way, I was born impatient. And like a damn Freemason, I'll run this nation. You call me a god. 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 I don't know how to stop. I just go till I drop. Whether it's working or shots, give it all that I got. You can watch me work in my element. Anyone in the way is irrelevant. You wanna cross me, cool, not intelligent. Cause I don't forget shit like an elephant. Go ahead and tempt me, put it on the line and you'll come up empty. If I got time, I'm deadly. Never caught off guard, no, I'm always ready. I got a hand real steady. Look me in the eye and you'll see no hezzy. About to get real messy. I'll put you in a grave 6 feet like Kenny. Call me a Yo, I think that I lost my mind. Hours and hours spent in time grinding on the things I write, fighting through the sleepy nights. And still, man, I'm getting screwed. Haven't I paid my fucking dues? Algorithms pick and choose. We're all slaves to what they do. Wait, no, it's a gift. I can go from poor to rich if you figure out the switch to get to the top of it. I don't know, I don't care. I'm pulling out my fucking hair. I just wanna create and share, help the world become aware that you can do anything that you want to. You can be everything that you want to. I'ma teach how to cook some fondue and blow up on shorts on YouTube, huh? Ain't that crazy? That's what people doing daily. It ain't quick, they ain't lazy. It takes years to get that placement. And this world is fucking crazy. Man, what's been going on lately? Is this good? Yeah, amazing. Feels like a fever fucking daydream. Shots of the heat. Now I can feel it in my teeth. I feel the lyrics start to seep out my veins like I bleed. Drop that bass on the beat for a minute when I spit this.
Kerupuk keju. Kerupuk keju.
Kuku. Ini yang dinamakan Vrindavan Food Court.
Ini sembilan model apa, Mas? Ngarepe tutup sih wajahnya.
Kamu siapin angel dulu.
Kena.
Masuk.
Kayak lagi berani.
Tapi kamu sana.
Masuk.
Iki kupingnya sama. Wis.
Kita kumpulan para jamet Surabaya Utara, guys.